significant rust perforation on this body mount. Okay, recording that now. Let's check the cross member.
How's the fit right there? Yeah, that looks much better now.
how's the flushness on the rocker now? It's sitting much better. Still needs a slight adjustment on that rear quarter transition. All right, slowly lowering it now. Watch the gap at the cowl. Yep, it's lining up well. Fender gap looks consistent too. I've got the hood flush with the cowl now.
The rear quarter panel lines up perfectly with the deck opening.
I'm still seeing a high spot right here on the rear deck. Yeah. Okay, let me hit that with the body file. How does the door skin look? Better now. Solid metal here, no hidden filler anywhere. Good. Good. The repairs on the lower quarter look seamless. Found a small pinhole right here on the rocker panel. Okay, I'll note that for surfacer. Coverage looks good otherwise. Still showing high on the rear mount.
Diagonal confirms deviation, applying pressure now.
Reading stable, we are within tolerance. Got the casting numbers on the intake. Okay, let's check the coolant clarity next. Looks pretty green. I've got the fuel pump loose. All right, I'm pulling the distributor now. Watch the orientation. The corrosion around this intake port is significant. Yeah. Same story on the exhaust manifold gasket surface here. Bore 4, taper is reading 2/1000ths. Yep, copy that, 2/1000ths on bore 4. Deck surface is within spec here. Look at the skirt wear on this piston. It's borderline. These main bearings confirm some taper on the crank. We should consider a regrind. These push rods look good, no excessive wear. Head surface is warped past the limit though. We'll have to deck it. Main journal clearance is verified, everything within spec. Ring gaps checked against the sheet. We are clear for assembly. Okay, we've got the camshaft installed. Now we're installing the lifters and aligning the timing marks on the gears. Verified. Now we rotate to check the timing relationship.
We're finalizing the live rear axle restoration, replacing the worn U-joints, and checking the differential's ring and pinion backlash to meet factory specifications.
Okay, bringing the front up. I got the rear shackles lined up. Steady, steady. Looks good. Gearbox input shaft turns smoothly, no binding. And the linkage dimensions match the factory specs perfectly.
This section is straight, but the pitting here is worse than I thought. We'll definitely need extra prep time on the grill surround.
All right, guided onto the mounts. Easy now. Mounts are aligned. Start the hardware. Make sure the torque specs are correct. Is the drive shaft seated properly? Yep. Yeah, U-joints are strapped. Exhaust clearance looks good back here.
Engine bay clear. Ready to close the hood?
Clear.
Hood secured. Let's check the door gaps.
Oil pump is primed. Pressure looks stable. Good. Let's manually turn it over. See how the bearings feel. Clutch linkage is adjusted correctly. Throttle snaps back nice. Fuel lines are dry. Spark leads checked. Static timing confirmed. We're clear to connect the battery.